Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing to you how to do a little loading screen on your SpaceHey profile. You know that GIF that appears when you're lurking on someone's page? Yeah, that one. So how about I stop yapping already and I just show you the code? That sounds pretty good to me. First of all, as always, we're setting a little style section and we're going to make an animation for our little GIF. So to make that, it's keyframes, just like that, and use a title that is not used in other animation. If you have other animation, make sure that it's like the name of it does not repeat. I'm talking so bad. I hope that you can forgive me. I'm using loading. I'm pretty sure that I don't have any other animation under that name. So open the bracket and pay attention because this might be useful for you on the future. 0% is the start of our animation. We open a bracket, and for this occasion we want to set the opacity because we will want it to disappear, right? So in this case it will be 1. This will make it fully visible, okay? Now an error that I have seen sometimes is that directly some of y'all are putting opacity 0 in 100, and that's wrong because we wanted we want to keep the GIF for a while on the screen before it disappears. So you can use 75%, 70%, 50%, whatever number. So you can put opacity to 1. What this will do is keeps the image on the screen and then disappears. Close the bracket from here to here, and now let's actually set the style for the image, right? So this will be body badoy badoy body before and open the bracket. Now content, we want it empty, okay? We want it like that. That's just how it is. It's important, okay? This will make it work, I promise. Now height, we want it 100 VH, okay? And width, no, that's not how you spell it. Width, also 100 VW. This will make it use the whole screen, okay? So yeah, now display block. Now position fixed. So no scrolling can affect it, okay? Now we don't want any gaps, no margins, no everything, no everything. I mean, not well. You understand what I'm trying to say. So top 0, left 0. Okay. This is very important. We wanted to set index, and for this we'll use a little high value. What this thing does is that sets this image on top of every other single element in our profile. That's why we want it as high as possible, okay? And also let's make sure that it's the highest number with this value. You can also change the others to be a little lower, but yeah, this has to be like the largest number in here, okay? So right after this, background image URL, open parenthesis, open quote, and search the image that you will use. Okay, I'm using this one. You can also use Tumblr, Pinterest, or upload your own to Catbox to get a link. Left click, copy image link. Oh, that's my profile. And paste it right there. Okay. Close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, and that's our image. But this is not over. This is not over. Background size to cover. Now background repeat to no repeat, because we just want one image, not a lot. Now background position center, and right here pay attention on animation. You will put the name of your animation minus loading, as you can remember. It's this one, loading. Right after the duration of it, I normally use 2 seconds, but this is up to you. You can use 5, even 10 if that's what you want, or 3 or 1. I use 2, okay? Now, ease, this will make it smooth. 0s, this is the delay, we don't want any, so we set it to 0. 1, this is the times that the animation will repeat. We just want it one time at the start, so yeah. Normal, so there are no errors and no backward weird stuff on the animation. And finally, forwards, so the animation stays on opacity 0, okay? Pointer events will be none. Close this thingy and close this. This is the one that we opened here. And finally, let's close the style, because this is over already. Let's make sure that there are no errors. I think that's pretty solid. Save it all, and let's reload the page. And as you can see, there was the little loading page. Let me set it to be a little longer, like 5 seconds, so that you can see how it will change. Okay, reloading. See, it lasted way longer. So that was basically it. I hope that you guys can do this and it's useful for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.